right, picked this up at the show today. One of 3 that we picked up. Team ups, obviously being tag teams, obviously being something that. All right, so this is one of 3 tins that we picked up at the show today. We're gonna go ahead and do 1 today, 1 tomorrow, and then 1 on our stream on What's Not on Tuesday. And that one is going to actually be the Zekrom Pikachu. So that one will be Tuesday. This one here, we're going to go ahead and kick off. We are all in it for the Lovebird chase. So hopefully we can manage to find some in here. Or not. I'm already seeing a Crimson Invasion, so that's not the best start. So unfortunately, no team up packs out of this, but super, super sweet. I don't even know what you call these things, but super sweet GX metal thing. We've got Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon Base, and Steam Siege. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in here. Start off with the Sun and Moon Base. Really was hoping to chase those birds tonight. We'll have to save that for tomorrow. Eevee, Sandygast, Poliwag, Skarmory, Morlul, Golbat. Ooh, Gumshoes GX. And that's what we call a bang! Always love it when a collection starts off hot. Crimson Invasion. Let's dive in. Execute, Jigglypuff, Houndour, Spoink, Mischievous, Mankey, Altaria. Nothing. We're going to close this one. Next short, we'll finish with Burning Shadows and Steam Siege.